Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add 1.5 inch tab stop in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add 1.5 inch tab stop in this document. Go to the paragraph settings option and go to tabs option. Then we can see here the default tab stop is 0.5. Now we want to change the default tab stop. Select the default tab stop and write 1 inch, 1.5 inch. Then click OK. Then press tab on our keyboard to see the tab stop, and we can see here the tab stop is 1.5 inch very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.